How to add bank account in AJIO for refund. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to add your bank account details in the AJIO app or website for receiving funds. Following these instructions will ensure that your refund process is smooth and efficient. Launch the AJIO mobile app on your device or visit the AJIO website in your web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the app or website. Click on your profile icon to open the profile menu. In your profile menu, look for the My Orders section. Click on My Orders to view a list of your recent purchases. Scroll through your orders to find the specific order for which you expect a refund. Click on that order to view its details. In the order details, look for the option labeled Refund. Click on the Refund option to proceed with the refund process. After selecting the Refund option, you will see a prompt to add bank account. Click on this option to enter your bank information. Fill in the required fields such as account number and IFSC code. Double-check the information entered to ensure there are no errors. Once you have entered all the necessary information, look for the Save button. Click Save to link your bank account for future refunds. After saving, it's a good practice to review your bank details again. Ensure that the account number and IFSC code are correct to avoid any delays in receiving your refund. By following these steps, you can easily add your bank account details in AJIO for refunds. Ensure that all entered information is accurate to facilitate timely processing. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AJIO customer support for assistance. Now that your bank details are set up, you can shop with confidence knowing that refunds will be processed directly to your account.